Assalamualaikum dear students. 1 and 2, this is your SSC period. I am your teacher Mrs. Hina. As we were learning about the means of transportation, and today in the previous class we have learned about the road transportation and land transportation, that the land transportation and road transportation needs road to travel. I have also sent you the worksheet related to that topic. Today we will learn something about water transport. We need to think that there is a sea, river, ocean, and if we need to travel in a sea, if we need to go in a sea, what we need? Yes, we need something like ships and boat. What are ships and boat? That ships and boats are water transport for us. Come on, read along with me. Water transport is the process of moving people, goods or things, etc. by boat, by ship or sailboat over a sea, ocean, lake, canal, river, etc. Water transport is a process, it is a procedure, it is a way of moving to move from one place to another. The people travel from one place to another. They take the things along with them, or they send things with them. How they will send things with them, or how they will go? By boat, by ship, by sailboat. Through what? Through sea, ocean, river, etc. Now, over here, water transport are usually slow, that it can carry a large loads, and that is relatively cheap. Modern ships carry a huge load of cargo without using a very few much fuel per unit of cargo. Now, what happened? Water transports are usually slow. They cannot move very fast like the buses or motorbike or cars that goes on a road, as the thing need to travel in a sea. Alright, they go up and down by moving on depend on the sea level, how the sea is. That's why the ship moves accordingly. Okay, and it is comparatively slow as compared to the air travel and road travel, and but it do not use much of the fuel.